Alright, hey yo, what's up guys, the Witty Striker here, and today I'm going to be doing some trolling to my little puppy dog here. And I want to record it on camera and then look at it and see what the heck she does in the room when I do this. So what I do is, like, when I go downstairs, usually I like to get my binder and stuff for schoolwork. What I do is I just keep yelling and yelling out squirrel and knocking on the walls, or actually knocking on the door or the windows, and the dog just starts going crazy and it's super funny. So yeah, you'll get to see how the dog's reacting. You'll just hear him making weird sounds and knocking noises in the background, and he's just gonna bark. Alrighty, so let's do this. Have fun, guys. Oh my god, oh my gosh.